Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney licensed in Texas and California. Today I'm going to talk about the 7 people involved in a divorce process. Who are all the people involved in a divorce? Well, the more complex the divorce, the greater the number of people involved. Number 1, the petitioner. This is a spouse who filed for divorce and began the divorce process. Number 2 is the respondent. The respondent is the other spouse. This is the person that was served. Number 3, the judge. A family court judge oversees divorce cases and has extensive knowledge in family law. If the parties cannot come to an agreement, the judge steps in to make decisions regarding certain issues in the divorce. Number 4, opposing counsel. Opposing counsel is sometimes referred to as OC for short, and this is the attorney representing the other party. Number 5, an attorney ad litem. An attorney ad litem is appointed by the court to provide legal services to a person such as a child. The judge, one spouse, or both spouses can request an attorney ad litem for the child or the children. They are the children's advocate and they'll express the children's wishes to the court or jury. Number 6, an amicus attorney. An amicus attorney is also known as a friend of the court, and they are appointed by the court to provide legal services for the court. The amicus attorney does not represent either party or the children. They are the eyes of the court outside the courtroom. They make home visits, conduct interviews, and attend court hearings. An amicus attorney assists the court in protecting the best interests of the child or the children. Number 7, the Office of the Attorney General. So some states have a division in the Office of the Attorney General that handles child support matters. The Attorney General's office may be involved in a case at the request of the judge or a party. They don't represent either party or the children. Their mission is to make sure that every child receives the support that they need and deserve. Essentially, they assist the court with child support amounts.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.